Hi friends, today I'm showing you these scented candles. These are really nice candles and a gift box to be given on Christmas or any other occasion. And you can see this is the soy based wax that's used, so it's all natural, no harmful wax in it. So as I open the box, I can really feel that smell and the fragrance. There are 4 different fragrances in this pack that I will show you. These are the metal cans and it holds the wax inside and the candles, and you can see the scented candle. So this one is the pink, it says. So the print on the metal can in the box is really nice, and you can feel the smell is also very good. So this one is the citrus sinuses, so it is like a citrus smell inside, and this one is for the lavender. So this is the lavender. You can see this is like the green metal can, and that's hold this wax. The design, everything is really perfect and very nice and soothing. So these are nearly like 4 or 4.4 ounces of the wax inside it. And this one is for the Jasmine orange color can. The design is almost very similar and the color is changing, but the quality of the metal can as well as the print on it is really good. And this is the last one, that is the Gardenia, and this one have other smells of like flowers or garden sort of things. It's very nice indigo or the blue shade, and the same print, very nice print and very nice smell. So all these candles smells really good, and it's easy to burn and lit it up. You have to just lit it up and just put it there. The wax will not smell, it will all be inside the box. So overall it's a nice gift box that can be given on any occasion. I will now show you to light up one of these candles so that you can see how this is look like. So I'm using this candle and just using my matchstick to light it up, and you can see that it light it up or it get the fire very easily. There is no issue with that. And what I see while putting this, that there is no smoke, and I can feel the scent of this candle. It's coming from it, and you can clearly see that there is no smoke that is coming from this candle. This is soy based wax, so it's good that there is no much smoke. The scent is good and the feel is good. Then this is a smoke free scented nice candles.